Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO C85 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So this is the panel that we need to open. Now mark settings icon, choose languages, mark add keyboard, and either scroll till you find the preferred one or in search area enter the language that you want to use. Tap on done and let me just pick different layout, for example this one, so we can see the difference clearly. Tap on done and now let's go back, and for now we stay with two languages. So by tapping on this word icon you will be able to switch between languages. As you can see, just by tapping here you can pick the second or third language. That depends on the amount of languages that you use, but if you want to have one language only, just enter the settings and go to languages, remove unnecessary one, and now this word icon disappeared and you can use the keyboard, the only keyboard that you selected. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.